In this episode, I'll show you the 3 most crucial components within BeatViz Agent: music analysis, visual style, creative plan. If you master these 3 steps, your video will be completely different. Your video will no longer appear messy and disorganized. Instead, it will become organized and meaningful. Let's get started right away. Part 1. Music analysis. This part is often skipped by many people, but in fact, it is the most important. What is it doing? It's quite simple. It's listening to your music. It will automatically analyze for you. Whether the rhythm is fast or slow, BPM. Whether the emotion is confident, sad, or explosive. When each lyric appears. What you see now, this is actually a music manual. So what's the use of this thing? It determines the pace of your video. For example, slow pace gives the shots should be slower. Reaching the climax gives you should speed up the editing. Lyrics come out gives the visual should also move along accordingly. If you don't do it this way, the video will be chaotic and look fake. Part 2. Visual style. This one is more intuitive. Decision. What does your video look like? The system will offer you 6 styles for you to choose from. For example, the current one is Surrealism plus Crystal plus Reflection plus Deformation. After you make your selection, it actually sets it up for you as follows. Colors such as slightly blue, metallic. Camera movement, whether it's a gradual rotation or a sudden zoom in. Visual elements such as crystal, reflection, particles. Why is this part so important? Because if you don't control the style, your picture will become sometimes realistic, sometimes cartoonish, sometimes game-like, and eventually it will be very AI-like. If you don't like the style, how can you make changes? It's still the same place, the right chat box. But there's a crucial point here. Don't say change to a more attractive one. To be more specific. For example, change it to the realistic city style like in GTA 5. I want cyberpunk, with rainy nights and neon lights. The more specific you are, the more accurate it will be. What if the picture is too artificial? You can simply say, the picture is too artificial. Could you make it more realistic for me? Add more realistic lighting and skin details. The camera should be more like in a movie. Don't be too CG based. Part 3. Creative plan. The first 2 steps are actually about preparation. This part is where the actual video production begins. At the creative plan stage, the AI will generate a complete set of content for you. A concept idea, for example, blue-haired idol plus neon street plus crystal world. A core process beginning gives middle, gives climax, gives ending. Who are the characters? Where are the scenes? Which shots must be included? You can think of it as, the AI has written a director's plan for you. Why is this part important? Because without it, your video is just a bunch of pictures put together. With it, it becomes like a work. If you're not satisfied with this part, how do you make changes? It's still the same, the right chat box. You don't have to start over from scratch. Just go to the right chat box and clearly explain the points you think are wrong. If you think the character's aura is not right, for example, not cool enough or not attractive enough, then just say, the character should be more powerful, more like a K-pop idol, with a more fashionable style overall. There is another very common one, that is, after watching there are no memory points. This actually lacks a moment of impact. You can say, help me design a visual climax. There should be a clear explosive scene, such as image distortion, or a strong visual impact. If you find that the problem is the opposite, not the space but the chaos, it becomes much simpler. Help me simplify the content, retain only one core concept, reduce the scenes, and make the picture more focused. You can think of this as communicating with a clearly state what you think is wrong, and what director rather than writing instructions. Feeling you want, and the AI will generally help you move in the right direction. In the next episode, we won't just focus on ideas. We will actually break down this set of creative ideas and implement them.